Venkateshwara. People are blessed with the talent of writing, but he is not just a writer; he is also good at reciting. So should I rather call him Mr. Eloquent because that'll be right? So please put your hands together for Samik Chakraborty. Over to you, Samik.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. I study in Venkateshwara only. I'm in my third year. Last semester. I'm very happy to be here, and congratulations to all of you NSS people. And I always, I never had the chance to actually be a part of NSS because of prior commitments. But I always appreciate the work that you guys do, because I have seen like you guys working so hard, and so I'm very glad that I am here. I'm able to come here to read out some poems of mine. So what I will do is that, also first of all, I must comment on the responses. Like, I love how enthusiastic everyone is here. And also, like, I must tell you that, I'm not very technologically like advanced. I am actually lagging behind my generation. So, so therefore, like, I didn't really, I mean, like the XO that you guys are writing, I couldn't understand, but I mean, but I am sure like it was something very warm, very warm. And I am very glad to see like, everyone here. And I hope to meet you guys in person also. So I'll start. So I'll read out some poems mostly on love, because I was told to like make a mahal for the evening. So I'll try to read out some poems of mine, short poems on love, and then I'll end with reading out Pablo Neruda's, one of the love poems of Pablo Neruda. So it's one of my favorite poems. So and after that, I can hear your responses. Okay, so I'll start. Yeah. Not a starlit sky, you, a man of wood and soil, of virility and domesticity, have rejuvenating supplies of milk and eggs. You don't find assurance in my tavern, where unresting spirits hover tirelessly. The ashes of their mortal bodies want nourishment, offspring and bloom, smiles and tears, milk and eggs. They follow you till your bed and hide under your pillow, behind your mirror, in your closet, in the creases of your cotton shirt till you sweat. Your body rubbed with mine, yours covered with thick fabric spores in it. I wore the fine Kashmiri woven by mother. Your arms rubbed mine, brushing my nose with your musk, masculine fragrance. Your eyes had a determined stare, a stare of will, of hard work, labor of the body. A giant bag peeping in between. You pulled it while getting down. Maybe I will never see you again. Maybe you mix with the nameless crowd of Chandni Chowk. The cap of your father, whose pointed finger made you sit beside me, will gloat like a ghost when Chandni Chowk will be empty, with no man floating around. You pull your heavy bag with those muscles stretched, a feat of strength, O God of desire. The marks on your fingers speak the spilled blood once pouring. You have pulled your fragrance onto me, the saltiness of the Arabian Sea, the cardamoms of the Nilgiris, the attars from Istanbul's markets. You get down at Chandni Chowk, I continue traveling. So this is a poem that I wrote when I was traveling by the metro, by the Delhi metro, which is also why I came to Delhi. Is to study here. I'm not from Delhi. So yeah, I mean, I just wrote this. I just happened to write this poem while I was traveling, by the metro. And yeah, so all my poems are actually based on, thank you so much. All my poems are actually based on real life experiences. I believe in, the romantic definition that it is the spontaneous overflow of emotions, okay? Not recollected in tranquility, because I'm not that patient. I'm a very impatient person. So I don't have time to recollect them in tranquility. I just write them. It's just an overflow of emotions. This one is a very personal, all my poems are personal poems, or
Samik, we can't hear you. I think we are having some technical issue here. Let's just wait for like 1 or 2 minutes so that if he can join back again. So until he joins back, how many of you guys relate with various stories in Metro? Like we can just anybody?
Okay, I do. But then, since I'm not able to speak, someone can take over. But then, oh gosh, I have so many stories.
Yeah, then I have to ask Shreyash Bhaiya, I guess, because I've seen his pictures in the Metro and I feel that he might have like a lot more stories than any of us, right?
Well, there are quite a few stories when it comes to the Delhi Metro. Like some of the stories which I don't want to share over here, but yes, like Delhi Metro obviously like is very close to my heart because I remember like I used to miss out on my stations because of some XYZ factors. But yes, I really miss those days taking the long route because of like few reasons. But yeah, it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that we aren't able to relive those days right now. But yes, hopefully once the situation gets normalized, I would be more than willing to take longer routes again and again.
Yeah, please show me the long routes because even I want to escape home sometimes. Right?
Okay, definitely.
Okay. Anybody else?
Guys, has Samik joined again?
Yeah, just checking that. So until
Guys,
you join, yeah,
maybe we should move on to the next performance.
yeah, we can.
Shreyash?
I guess we can go ahead.
Yeah, all right. So, guys, that was a wonderful performance by Samik. It was lovely, and we are all in love. But let's just move on. So, now that the train of Fitur has successfully made it to the third station, Anirudh, who is an integral member of Petrichor SPC with a creative vision and strong written visuals. Through his imagination and innovation, his writing creates a strong and emotional impact on the readers. Let's fall in love with words. Please welcome Anirudh.
Hi. Hello, everyone. Am I audible
Hi.
and visible?
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are
ये
very
online-
clear and very audible. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. ऑनलाइन सिस्टम बहुत खराब है, कभी भी कौन कट जाए किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा. ओके, सो मैं कुछ गजल्स और कुछ नज्म लेकर आया हूँ. आई होप उससे माहौल बन सके. अच्छा, मैं कैसे और थोड़े चेहरे देख सकता हूँ प्लीज, क्योंकि जितने अच्छी स्क्रीन दिखेगी ना जितने अच्छे लोग, क्योंकि अब इसमें तुम ऐसे मुझे बता नहीं पाओगे ना तुम समझ पाए या नहीं. हाँ, प्लीज 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 ऑल दोज हु कैन ऑन देयर कैमरास प्लीज. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. अच्छा, तो मैं सबसे पहले एक शेर जो मैंने लिखा था पहले कुछ समय पहले, और आज की जो सिचुएशन है हमारी इकोनॉमिक, पॉलिटिकल, सोशल, कल्चरल, उन सब के ऊपर बेस्ड है वो, क्योंकि वो सब गिर चुकी है, सब खत्म होती जा रही है. तो ये शेर है मेरा कि अगर हम अब भी ना संभले, अगर हम अब भी ना संभले तो फिर कभी संभल ना पाएंगे. अगर हम अब भी ना संभले तो फिर कभी संभल ना पाएंगे. इस अखंड सांस्कृतिक सभ्यता को मिट्टी में मिला जाएगा, मिट्टी में मिला जाएगा. इफ यू लाइक इट चैट में बता सकते हो या फिर ऐसे कर दो तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि तुम तक पहुंची है बात. ओके, सो दिस इज अ गजल. इसका मतलब ये है कि वो जैसा चाहे तुमने खुद को बिल्कुल वैसा बना रखा. वो जैसा चाहे तुमने खुद को बिल्कुल वैसा बना रखा है, कांच में देखो खुद को कांच से भी ज्यादा नाजुक बना रखा है। वो जैसा चाहे तुमने खुद को बिल्कुल वैसा बना रखा है, कांच में देखो खुद को कांच से भी ज्यादा नाजुक बना रखा है। और उनका ये शक होना कि सब धोखा देंगे बिल्कुल लाजिम है। उनका ये शक होना कि सब धोखा देंगे बिल्कुल लाजिम है। उन्होंने सभी परायों को अपना बना रखा है। और ये शेर सुनना कि मैं तो रोज दिन में चाहता हूं मर जाना, मैं तो रोज दिन में चाहता हूं मर जाना, मगर माँ ने घर पर रात का खाना बना रखा है, मैं किसी और को अपना बनाने की कश्मकश में हूँ, मैं किसी और को अपना बनाने की कश्मकश में हूँ, और किसी और की कश्मकश ने मुझे अपना बना रखा है। मैं किसी और को अपना बनाने की कश्मकश में हूँ और किसी और की कश्मकश ने मुझे अपना बना रखा है। ये वफा वादे कस्में रिश्ते, ये वफा वादे कस्में रिश्ते, सब बातें हैं मतलब की। ये वफा वादे कस्में रिश्ते, सब बातें हैं मतलब की। इन बातों का सबने अपना अपना मतलब बना रखा है। ये वफा वादे कस्में रिश्ते, सब बातें हैं मतलब की। इन बातों का सबने अपना अपना मतलब बना रखा है। और जाना तो सभी को है, जाना तो सभी को है एक दिन यहाँ से, जाना तो सभी को है एक दिन यहाँ से, मरने का यूं ही हवा बना रखा है। जाना तो सभी को है एक दिन यहाँ से, मरने का यूं ही हवा बना रखा है। और आखिरी शेर इस गजल का, भगवान क्या है, आई थिंक मैंने इसके अंदर डिफाइन करने की कोशिश करी है, तो सुनना जरा कि ताकि रहे एक उम्मीद और एक खौफ, ताकि रहे एक उम्मीद और एक खौफ, सभी के मन में जिंदा, जिसे कभी देखा नहीं, इंसान ने वो भगवान बना रखा है, इंसान ने वो भगवान बना रखा है। अच्छा, सब यहाँ पर हम जवान लोग हैं, तो एक मोहब्बत के ऊपर गजल में पेश करता हूँ। एक सेकंड पीछे से डिस्टर्ब किया। तो ये मोहब्बत के ऊपर मैं दूसरों की कहानी तो नहीं लिख सकता, इसलिए जितना मैंने देखा है अपना ही फसाना बता सकता। तो ये इस गजल का मतलब है कि किस्मत में अगर है मिलन, किस्मत में अगर है मिलन तो फिर जुदाई भी होगी, किस्मत में अगर है मिलन तो फिर जुदाई भी होगी। उसने जो बातें मुझसे छुपाई किसी और को बताई भी होगी। किस्मत में अगर है मिलन तो फिर जुदाई भी होगी, उसने जो बातें मुझसे छुपाई किसी और को बताई भी होगी। और इतना भी करीब ना जाओ किसी के, इतना भी करीब ना जाओ किसी के, कि बढ़ते बढ़ते प्यार फिर लड़ाई भी होगी। इतना भी करीब न जाओ किसी के कि फिर बढ़ते बढ़ते प्यार लड़ाई भी होगी। और ये शेर पुराने ख्यालात का है, पुराने जमाने का है, लेकिन मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है इसमें। हमने भी मिटाया है, हमने भी मिटाया है मोहब्बत खत्म हो जाने के दर्द, हमने भी मिटाया है मोहब्बत खत्म हो जाने के दर्द को। उसने भी खत फाड़े होंगे तस्वीर हमारी जलाई भी, उसने भी खत फाड़े होंगे तस्वीर हमारी जलाई भी होगी। और जिन्हें डर लगता है, जिन्हें डर लगता है अब मोहब्बत की चिंगारियां जलाने से, जिन्हें डर लगता है अब मोहब्बत की चिंगारियां जलाने से, उन्होंने कभी सैलाबी आग लगाई भी होगी। जिन्हें डर लगता है अब मोहब्बत की चिंगारियां जलाने से, उन्होंने कभी सैलाबी आग लगाई भी होगी। और खुद ब खुद मिट जाए, खुद ब खुद मिट जाए तो अच्छा है, अगर जबरदस्ती मिटानी पड़ी मोहब्बत तो बेवफाई भी होगी। खुद ब खुद मिट जाए तो अच्छा है, अगर जबरदस्ती मिटानी पड़ी मोहब्बत तो बेवफाई भी होगी। और हमारी बर्बादी से ये सबक सीख लो यारो, हमारी बर्बादी से ये सबक सीख लो यारो, दिल लगी में अगर है सुकून तो तबाही भी होगी। हमारी बर्बादी से ये सबक सीख लो यारो, दिल लगी में अगर है सुकून तो तबाही भी होगी। और यहाँ किस्मत के आगे सब बराबर है, यहाँ किस्मत के आगे सब बराबर है। जितना हसीन मिलन होगा उतनी ही अच्छी जुदाई होगी, जितना हसीन मिलन होगा उतनी अच्छी जुदाई। डू वी हैव टाइम, मतलब कुछ और प्रेजेंट करने के लिए? हेलो,
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
एक नज्म है जो मैं प्रेजेंट करना चाहूंगा। इसका उन्वान है दर्द के ऊपर, कि दर्द जब हमें होता है ना, तो जख्म जो होता है, दर्द जख्म, उसके ऊपर। तो नाम नहीं बताऊंगा मैं नज्म का, सुनाऊंगा सीधा। सब सही चल रहा था, सब सही चल रहा था, फिर अचानक हंसी के ठहाकों के बीच कांच का गिलास टूटा और गिर गया। सब सही चल रहा था, फिर अचानक हंसी के ठहाकों के बीच कांच का गिलास टूटा और गिर गया। उस वक्त वहां शोर बहुत था, सब बस सब बस फिर भी मेरी चीखें सुन रहे थे, मगर किसी ने उस कांच के टूटने की आवाज पर ज्यादा जोर नहीं दिया। लेकिन अगर देखा जाए तो मेरी आवाज से पहले कांच के टूटने की आवाज ने सबके कानों के पर्दों पर दस्तक दी थी। लेकिन अगर देखा जाए तो कांच के टुकड़े हो जाने के बाद भी उसका लहू नहीं निकला, उसका लहू नहीं निकला। इसलिए शायद सबको लगा कि कांच को तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं होगा। सभी की आवाजें मुझे संभालने में लगी हुई थी, मगर मगर मेरे कानों में उस कांच के टूटने की आवाज गूंज रही थी। इस हादसे से मुझे एहसास हुआ कि हम सब, पूरी दुनिया इसी तरह तो चलते हैं कि अगर जख्म है, दर्द है, तो नजर आना जरूरी है, तो नजर आना जरूरी है।
Oh, that's so true. That's very, 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 very beautiful. Seriously, like, first, I'm a really big fan of like all these shairis and all. And you said it so beautifully that I'm a fan now, officially. I can say it on record here.
Thank you so much.
And that was a lovely, lovely recitation. Like, very, very beautiful. And thank you so much for being here. So can we move forward, Shreyash?
Sure. Let's move ahead.
हाथों की सफाई या आंखों का धोखा? Let's find out with Naman Khanna, an experienced magician and a mentalist who has performed with various YouTubers. He has frequently performed virtually over the last few months and recently did a virtual show at TEDx event at Jesus and Mary College. In a live session, he performed for corporate clients and also his experienced performances at college. He also did his first ticketed live show recently, and he recently hit 2 million views on Instagram videos, so which is very, very wow. So let's be flabbergasted by his performance. Please welcome Naman Khanna.
Hello, hello. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Cool,
Hello.
cool. Okay.
Hi.
So hi everyone. Hi, I am Naman, as most of you heard. And usually इसके बाद लोग बताते हैं कि वो कहाँ से हैं and basically where do they live. But I feel too nervous doing that because I'm from Gurgaon. Yes. And if you tell someone when you're meeting them for the first time that you're from Gurgaon, their perception about you is set. Number one, Amir Bhak ka ladka, and number two, murderer. I am neither. So I am, as you heard, a mentalist. So what I like doing is I love playing with, thoughts. So like people pick pockets, I like picking on people's thoughts. So please video on kar lo yaar sab, kyunki if your videos aren't turned on, this won't work. So please, those of you who can, please turn your videos on. Great, great, great. Thank you, thank you. So, okay, so let's play a game with all of you. There are 114 people. So let's play a game with all of you. Okay, so let's try this. So as people, we think that we have different thoughts. Our minds work differently than others. Our brains work completely different than other people's, but that's not true. And to prove that, let's play a game. So on your Zoom, you will see a raise hand feature. So all of you just press that, just raise your hands. On Zoom, you will see a raise hand feature. So please click that. Okay, sub raise hand kar do, sab. Great, great, great. Arey bahut sahi. Okay, I can see a lot of people. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Cool. So a lot of people have raised their hand. Okay. So we'll play this game now. So those of you who have raised your hands, I want all of you to think of an animal. Just think of an animal in your head. Okay. And you can see right now on Zoom that there are a lot of hands raised, right? And by the end of this, you will see how completely different this scenario is. So just think of an animal. Now, those of you who went for a lion or a tiger, please put your hands down. If you went for a lion or a tiger, lower your hand. All right? Lower your hand if you went for a lion or a tiger. Okay, I can see various hands coming down now. All right, the people who still have their hands raised, I want you to think of a color. Just think of a color. Any color is possible. All right, just think of a color. If you went for red or blue, put your hands down. If you went for red or blue, just lower your hands. Wow, that is a lot of you putting your hands down. Okay. And let's do one final thing. All right. Now I want all of you to, the people who still have their hands raised, think of a shape. Just think of a basic shape in your head. Just think of a shape. Okay. Think of any basic shape. Now, if you went for circle or square, lower your hand. If you went for a circle or a square, put your hands down. If you went for a circle or a square, put your hands down. All right. Okay. So you can see that when we started, there were about 35 to 40 people with their hands raised. And by the end of it, there are about 10 or 15 of you who still have their hands raised. So you can see how similar people think, right? Just the 10 of you are more of, I feel, a skeptical nature. Just the 10 of you had a different thought than others. So I feel like this will be fun to do with the 10 or 15 of you. So can all of you see this piece of paper here? Just give me a thumbs up if you can. Just give me a thumbs up if you can see it. Okay. Okay, I think most of you can. Great. So on this piece of paper, I have written down something. All right. I have written down a thought I had, a memory I created. Okay. So we'll try and do this with all of you here. So let's create a number. The people who still have their hands raised, we're going to create a 4-digit number. So I'm going to pick someone at random who has their hand raised. Let's go with Shikha, I see your hand.
I cannot
Can you unmute
speak.
yourself?
Is it
Oh,
like
you cannot speak? Oh, okay. Can you just quickly name a number between 1 and 9? Just show it with your fingers if you want to.
okay?
7, that's a 7, right? All right. So you want a 7. Okay, you can unmute yourself. Thank you so much. So 7. Okay, moving on. I see Khushi, I see your hand is still raised. Khushi, can you help me out? So Khushi, same with you. So Shikha chose the number 7. Okay. Now you have to pick the second digit of this number. So what do you think that is? She chose a 7. What, according to you, is the second digit of this number? It is completely up to you. What do you want?
5.
A 5. Are you sure? Are you 100% sure you want a 5? You don't want a 3?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Wow. Okay. So we have a 7 and a 5. Now, Khushi, instead of me picking someone, so that people don't think this is set up in any way, you pick someone up who has their hand raised. It's up to you now.
Anushka.
Okay. Can that person please unmute themselves?
Yeah.
Anushka, hello. So right now, Shikha has picked 7. Khushi picked 5. What, according to you, is the third digit of this number?
2.
You sound in a doubt. Be sure of it. What do you want?
2.
You are sure it's a 2?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So 752, that is what we have so far. Anushka, again, same thing with you. Pick anyone at random, anyone you want to. Who has their hand raised? Okay. Can that person unmute themselves, please? Wow, they have disappeared, I feel.
Did you take my name?
Anushka, did you take her name? She's asking you.
Yeah, Nandini Sharma.
Oh,
Okay, okay.
Nandini.
Yes, she did took your name. Okay, okay, Nandini, hello. So Nandini, we have a 7, a 5, and a 2. Now the fourth and final digit, the most important one. This is the digit which ties the knot of the 4 numbers together. The pressure is on you.
Okay,
Okay.
I think I'm going to go with 6.
Are you sure you don't want a 3?
No.
Please, you want a 6? Is that okay? It's up to you, whatever you say.
Okay, 6.
6. So 7526. That is the number all of you created, right? That is something which all of you came up with. Now, bear in mind, if anyone else would have been here, this would have been completely different. If I asked you to think of something, you thought of a lion or a tiger and whatsoever, it was all up to you. And you guys picked people. If you would have picked anyone else, this would have been completely different, right? There were thousands of combinations you could have come up with. You came up with 7, 5, 2, 6, 7, 5, 2, 6. What is what you came up with? And this piece of paper, I have been holding it this entire time, guys. Give me a nod if you saw it in my hands. Yeah, okay. 7526 is what all of you came up with. And before I even came on here, before I even came on the Zoom call, I wrote down a prediction on this piece of paper. And I wrote down exactly 7526. That is the number all of you created. And that is exactly what I had in you. 7526. So that was a little experiment to start off with. All right. So moving on, let's try this. You can, the people who have their hands raised, niche kar do. Okay. You can put your hands down. Okay. So video on kar lo yaar, please. Those of you who don't have your videos on, please, I request you to turn them on. Okay. So let's do this with, so I have a deck of cards here, as you can see. All right, as most magicians do. So I'm gonna go with RK Chaudhary. Can you help me out? Can you unmute yourself, bro?
Yes,
Hello, where are you from, bhai?
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi, great, same. No, I'm from Gurgaon, sorry. Sorry. Okay, so we haven't set anything up. I didn't pay TM you $100 to just say what I'm asking you to say. You're not an actor, correct? Yes, no. And he's gone from my screen. I don't see him anymore. Bro, kuch bolna. Hello, hi, boliyo bhai. I don't see you. Oh, he's gone, I think.
I think Sharam aa gaya usse.
I think he's, and that was the trick, ladies and gentlemen. RK has disappeared. Okay, never mind. I'll use someone else. Let's go with.
All right, so
Yeah,
RK
video on
just
kar lo
got
yaar.
disconnected. RK disconnect हो गया, अभी वापस से आ गया है वो.
Yeah, I am back.
आ गया वापस.
हाँ मैं.
RK ठीक है ना? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. Yeah, okay. So RK, so okay, there are the number cards and picture cards. Okay. So which ones do you want us to use? Numbers or pictures? It is up to you. Whichever one you say, we'll use that.
Number. I choose
Numbers
number.
or pictures? Just you said use numbers. Okay, okay, cool. Thank you, RK. You can mute yourself. Thank you. So RK has chosen numbers here. Okay. Let's go with Aditya. Aditya, can you help me?
Yes.
So Aditya, he has chosen the numbers. So numbers are from ace through 10. Which number do you want us to use?
4.
4. Are you sure?
Yes, sure.
All right. Let's go with Meghna. Meghna, can I use you for this? Meghna, please unmute yourself.
Hi.
Hello,
Hi.
hello. So Meghna, there are the red cards and black cards. Which one should we use again, reds or blacks?
Black.
Black. All right. Thank you for your help. The last and final one. Let's go with. Okay, let's go with. Once किसी की वीडियो नहीं दिख रही. Okay. Khushi. Oh, sorry, I already used you, Khushi. Sorry. I have already used you. Let's go with Gunjan. Gunjan, can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay, so Gunjan, right now we have a 4.
Okay.
And we have the black card. So blacks have clubs and spades. Which one should we
Okay.
use? Clubs or spades? It is up to you. Clubs or spades?
Spades.
Sorry, which one? I couldn't hear you.
Spades.
Spades. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, spades. Thank you for your help. So the 4 of spades. Now I want to ask all of you. This is impossible, even though this is impossible, but how many chances will all of you give me to find your card without, of course, looking at the cards? 4 of spades. Just show me a number of fingers or type it in the chat. How many chances? 1. Okay, 1. Wow. Okay, I give myself 4 chances. Thank you very much. 4 chances. Okay, 4 chances. So I'm just gonna pan the camera down a little bit. I'm giving myself 4 chances because I want to. So you said 4 of spades. And before, again, in this deck, I had turned over 4 cards. And one of those cards should hopefully be the 4 of spades. That is your card. Okay. So let's see. We are humble, we accept it. Thank you, Shikha. So, okay, let's see. Okay, well, the first one is the Ace of Hearts. That's not what you chose. You chose 4 of spades. Moving on, let's see. Let's see where this takes us. Well, shit. Ace of Clubs, that is 2 out of 4. I'm starting to feel a little hesitant here. But okay, moving on again. Next one, oh crap. Ace of Diamonds. That's 3 out of 4. All right, last chance. 4 of spades. Come on, guys. 4 of spades. And it is the Ace of Spades. But you said 4 of spades or Ace of Spades? What was it? Was it the 4 or the Ace? Well,
4.
I mean, sometimes we can mess up, but this wasn't the correct time to mess up for me, I guess. But like in life as well, sometimes we mess up. We can make a mess out of things, right? With everything going on out there in the world right now, it's a mess. But sometimes it's just about the perspective from which we look at things. Sometimes we have to change our perspective, because if I turn these cards over, it says the next one here says 4. The next one here says off. And the last one here says spades. That is the 4 of spades, exactly the card all of you created. And that is the perspective we should look at things right now. Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure performing for all of you. Thanks a lot.
Mind-blowing, Naman, honestly.
Thank you.
Sikha dena kabhi yaar. All right, so thank you so much for coming over, Naman. It was wonderful. And now, let's move on to the next artist of the evening. Let's welcome Gurleen Pannu, a new age stand-up comedian, a crazy person to listen to with her observations and anecdotes and gupshup, right from the enigma of the typical Indian household. She's a girl who can find humor everywhere. She will make you laugh with a unique narrative, experiential style, and wit. She is sure to leave you all with happy tears in your eyes and with a hurting stomach from too much laughter. Over to you, Gurleen.
Hello everyone.
It's a finger style, but सबको याद नहीं रहता, so you can remember it as मैं गिटार पे ऐसे करता हूँ. Easy way out. So, and whatever I'll be doing, it's gonna be instrumental. I don't sing. And
मेरा जुनून, ये मेरा जुनून, ये उसका जुनून.
किसका जुनून था ये? अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है, wasn't me, but so guys, what I'll need you to do is, if you're able to guess the name of the song that I'm playing, what I want you to do is type it down in the chat box. थोड़ा engaging रखते हैं. You guys just have to type and I'll keep playing. If you get it right, yeah, cool. Sounds like a good plan. Can we start? Okay, perfect. So that was the first medley of songs, and I hope you guys are enjoying. Acha, chat box, okay, cool.
Just look at the chat box. Everyone's in love.
Yeah, I just opened the chat box. Yeah, I'm glad everyone's getting it, and yeah, okay, cool. Let's keep it going. was the second song that I had prepared.
Which left everybody vibing here.
Hey,
Wonderful.
say.
The transitions were actually very nice. Really, everybody was like, waving themselves here like flags. I was almost in a mood to switch on my flashlight here and do this.
Exactly. I just wish this
Yeah,
was an
it was
offline event. हम लोग थोड़ा better vibe कर पाते. But like, ठीक है, किसी
Yeah,
ने
right.
happens. Okay, so I have like one more song prepared for you guys, and okay, so what do you want it to be? Do you want it to be like another slow song, or do you want this to be sort of upbeat, some sort of a, like some sort of a song जिस पे तुम लोग dance करो थोड़ा सा? What do you want it to be?
Chat box में बता दो जल्दी.
हाँ, chat box में बताओ. Upbeat, please. Slow dance, upbeat, soothing song. Upbeat के लिए ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं. ठीक है. So majority wins. Let's keep it upbeat. Okay, guys, this one. Let's just see how many of you are able to guess it. So this was the third song, and yeah, guys, I hope you guys had fun, and yeah, I think this was my set.
We loved it. Great. Thank you so much for coming. This was amazing. And guys, this is what we mean when we say Fitur is here. Ye hai Fitur. It celebrates love and passion. And you can see how much passionate he was, right? And my goodness, I'm mind blown. This was amazing. This is Fitur. This is NSS, you guys. Amazing.
Right.
Thank you so much for having me, guys.
for joining us.
Also, just to like एक छोटा सा, if you guys enjoyed this performance, so what you can do is you guys can go follow me on Instagram. My handle is that fingerstyle guitarist, and yeah,
So please follow
that's
her.
about it.
It's amazing.
And yeah, thank you so much for having me, guys. You've been a lovely audience, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. And yeah, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So, itna mast gaane ke baad, it's time for my PJ. Okay. So there were 2 mosquitoes in the room, and it was hard for me to judge their gender. So guess how did I find which one was the she mosquito? Bata. All right, chalo main ye bata deti
She must be near the mirror.
Yeah.
And the male one must be near the beer bottle.
Beer bottle. अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
पंजाब से थे क्या? I guess पंजाब से.
All right. So guys, कोई जाना मत because I suck at this. But this is why I planned on subscribing to Lalit Bhatia's humor classes. Now, Lalit Bhatia is a student of SVC and an active stand-up comedian who expresses his views and opinions through his talent. Lalit has done various open mics and shows in the past few years. With more than 1K followers on Instagram, Lalit is sure to leave you in his streets and rolling on the floor. Over to you, Lalit.
Hi guys, hi. सबको
Hello,
ऑडियो वीडियो ऑन है ना यार, क्योंकि देखो उन्होंने तो पहले ही बेइज्जती कर दी मेरी कि पीजे की क्लास मैंने किससे ली, ललित से ली है, तो अब तो क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट करोगे, वैसे भी मैं आखिरी परफॉर्मर हूँ।
I didn't mean that. No.
हाँ नहीं चिल है यार, पर थोड़ा सा आज ना बड़ा सा अजीब सा दिन था। मतलब सुबह सुबह मेरे को कॉल आया घर से कि मेरी एक रिलेटिव थी, थोड़ी एजेड थी, उनकी कोविड से डेथ हो गई। और यार थोड़ा सा अजीब सा दिन था यार। मतलब मम्मी ने फोन किया, मैं 5 मिनट तक ऐसे चुपचाप बैठा था, सोच रहा था कि एक आंसू आ जाए। मतलब मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा था यार, आंसू ही नहीं आ रहे थे। अब बुढ़े तो होते ही हैं यार मरने के लिए, घर वाले अलग परेशान कि आ जाओ बहुत ज्यादा कोविड हो रहा है। मुझको नहीं फर्क पड़ता है किसी की, मतलब ऐसे सीरियस बात है तो कोई मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट मतलब क्यों ही करता है। एक बार पता है ऐसा ही हुआ था, और मैं ऐसे थोड़ा सा डेथ को लेके इतना सीरियस हो नहीं पाता हूँ। मेरे मम्मी के कलीग थे, उनके ना बेटे की डेथ हो गई, बहुत जवान लड़का था, तो वो एकदम परेशान हैरान हो गए। तो कहते हैं कि यार मैंने उसके लिए आईफोन लिया था, उसके लिए बाइक ली थी, अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े लिए थे, पर अब वो है ही नहीं, उसको पहनेगा कौन, चलाएगा कौन। तो सब उदास थे। मैंने कहा अंकल आईफोन तो अब खाली हो गया होगा। मैंने कहा आपके पैसे बर्बाद नहीं होने चाहिए ना। ठीक है गाइस, मैं समझ गया कि तुम लोग को यहाँ पे उदास होने नहीं आया। मैं पीजे यार, मतलब देख रहे हो मैं शुरुआत ही ऐसी करता हूँ, एक्सपेक्टेशन नीचे कर दी। पर यहाँ पे यार मुझे पता है आखिरी में परफॉर्मेंस दे दी एक, तो कहता कोई नहीं हम यहाँ पे।
Fitur 2.0 is made possible with only the Fitur of these artists.
Thank you guys for joining us. It was a wonderful, wonderful evening. I am in love with NSS, with Fitur, with Jagriti, with all of the artists who performed today, and with all you lovely, lovely audience. We have made memories here, even though offline nahi hai, but still we have given our best to this, and it was so much fun. And thank you for joining us to celebrate this madness of ours. It's of immense pleasure to announce the end of the event, just like the rainbow announces the end of the rain. Tomorrow we come to you again presenting a bunch of another artist who will leave you spellbound. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining us today. And this is the end of Fitur 2.0 Day 2.
Thank you so much, guys. It was fun. Very, very fun. Thank you.